Alright, so welcome to the video on a complete guide of ionet and how to run the nodes and how to farm the ionet points so that you can get the airdrop from the ionet. So this is the website from the io.net, and once you scroll a bit you will see a get started button. You have to click this get started button to run your node. So they will ask you to register or log in. So I have already registered here, so I will click on this, but this is basically doing a login process. So I will choose my email address to log into the system, and once I logged in I can see a complete functionality over here. So this is the cloud, this is the worker. So if you are looking to run your node, if you are looking to provide this a node to the ionet service, you have to click on the worker. So once you click on the worker, you could see all the listed worker that you are running or even you were running into the past. So this is MacBook Pro which I'm using it, and this is completely offline right now. So if you are new here and if you wanted to connect a new worker, you have to click this connect new worker button. Once you click this button, you could see a complete form here. So new device. So you have to choose your operating system before starting this whole node. So my node is Mac OS. You might have Mac, Windows, you might have Ubuntu. So I will be choosing Mac OS for now. And then you have to click on the next step. So as we all know that GPU worker is not supported into the Mac, we have to choose CPU by default. So once you choose the CPU, it will show that all the possible supported GPU and CPUs that they are actually looking for, which is M1, M1 Pro, M1 Max. So right now my machine is M1, and I think that is into the supported list. So once I click to the next step, so they will give us a bunch of some scripts. So first step is download the Docker. So this is the command, and you have to visit to the Google Chrome and download the Docker for the Mac. You have to choose the chip also, like Apple chip, Intel chip. So my Docker is already installed. I have downloaded through this link. So let's move forward to the second step. So run the command to download binary. So this is the command which you have to run into your terminal. And second, you have to run this command. And third, you have to run this command. And then you have to click to the connect device. So this is the only and final step. So let me go back so that I can show you how I actually run my worker, because that is already listed into the list. That is not a new worker. This is an old worker which I have already run into my ionet dashboard. So let me click over the MacBook Pro here, and it will show me all these steps how to rerun, because that is offline now. So this is the performance. Most of the time it is down because I just turn off my laptop whenever I sleep. So this is the step. The same steps are here. Run the command, run the command, and run the command. Let me go to my terminal to show you how exactly we have to run these commands. So just copy it, go to the terminal, and just paste this command, and it will actually download some binaries. And then you have to run this command, and then the final command. Once I this final command, it will download few things. It will authenticate. So it is asking just do some steps. So let me copy this URL to authenticate that this is me. Once I click here, it will ask me to confirm it, and I have to log in with the same email, and then it will authenticate it and it will start showing into my dashboard. So congratulations, you are all set. So the same pop-up you will also see once you connect your worker here. So something is here, Docker is not installed or not running. Okay, I just forget to run this Docker thing. Let me run it. So Docker is basically taking some time to open it. Let's wait when the Docker should be running. Alright, so Docker is up and running, and we can actually delete if anything is there. So let me run this command once again because Docker was not there. So I have to authenticate this URL so that ionet could understand that this is the real and original device which I am actually giving to the ionet. So let me confirm this, and let me confirm with my Google account. Congratulations once again. And if I go back to this, it is asking, please be aware that ionet worker will stop and delete all your running Docker containers. Yes, let's confirm it. We want to continue. If you are seeing this warning, mismatch of Linux, so this happens with the Mac machines. So it is downloading few things to run this worker efficiently. We have to wait to see all the downloads are completed. It is extracting. Congratulations, your IO worker is running and ready. So now my ionet worker is completely ready. And if I go back in a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds or 15 seconds, we can see this offline worker is turned into the online. And then we can actually perfect actually valid ionet service provider to the ionet, and we can actually farm the airdrop points. So for the airdrop points, you have to go into the earnings and reward section. So if you go here, you could see I have 1600 around points, and the ionet has two airdrop campaigns. The first one has done and second one is in progress. So you could see here are the points of the users who are the part of the network snapshot on 25th of April. And we will soon provide updates for the users devices that are not included in this snapshot. Thank you. So these are the points which I have earned into the first airdrop campaign done by the ionet, and this is the second airdrop campaign is going on. So if you are looking to provide your node, your machine as a compute power to the ionet, you could follow this guide. So this is very simple and straightforward, and in a few moments, I think in a few moments we can see the online status here. Alright, so that's all about the ionet and how to run this node to the ionet service. I will be posting lots of more and more good content to my YouTube channel. So if you have not even yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, you could go and subscribe the channel so that you can get more updates about the airdrop, investment strategies, and lots more related to the crypto and Web3. See you in the next video. Thank you.